What's up, everybody? Long time no smell. Where does your paycheck go? It is a question you should ask yourself on the regular. It's a question I ask myself uh, every day. Where is the earned income going? The investment income, it's not a big of a deal, but the earned income, I want to make sure I'm using it wisely. And we haven't been doing this series for a long time, but I thought I'd bring it back. If you like it, please let me know down below or hit the like button because I may stop doing it. I don't know if there's any interest or any use of it, but basically, I'm going through. There are several times a month where I have extra income from one of my income sources, also including my paycheck from work, where I put money into a high dividend account. And if you've been a fan of the channel for a long time, you've seen this before, but this is the high income account. That's where the paycheck goes. And that goes into trading, which is also leveraged, and then into investing, which is also leveraged, um, and then to the bank. But the high income account is not leveraged, but it is built on several principles. Kind of some key takeaways um, are precious metals like silver and gold. I like selling covered puts and covered calls on those assets because they move differently than the stock market. Now, when the stock market goes down, gold and silver go up. That's what people say. That's not always the case, but they do move differently. So basically, I've got a little bit of money, and you can see here silver and gold. These are not real silver and gold. These are derivatives. So please understand what you're getting after. And you can see the ones that are flagged green here. I have flagged those as they have hit the 30 RSI, and then I just wait for them to go up. When they start to show signs of momentum of going up, that's what I'm interested in buying. So I have a list here, and I just go down the list, just like we used to do with the swing trades. It's the exact same entry, but the difference is when I get 100 shares of something, I'm going to sell the covered call against it to generate even more income. And I'm okay if these get called away and all that. But if there's nothing on the list that is a swing trade setup, I'm just going to buy dogs of the Dow equal weight. So you can see that list right here. Dogs of the Dow, but it's figured up every single day. And you can see there is your list. So that's what we use. Nice and simple. Most of these pay over a 10% dividend yield. Not all of them pay monthly, but a lot of them do. And there's some safe stuff and there's some risky stuff. So don't just blindly copy this list or anything. You probably get burned. I'll get burned. That's investing. But the fact that the income comes out of the account every month, half of the income goes into the trading account. That makes it safer, in my opinion. But just understand again, this isn't me giving you financial advice. I'm just a regular dude. But this is what I'm doing with any extra money I got. I've got a limit in my checking account, and anything over that just goes right in here, um, so that we can live a good life, but also get ready for the future. And you can see even crazy income stocks, they still move. There's your 30 all the way up. And they move in different wave patterns than the actual stock market. So in my opinion, it's just really fun, number one, but a cool way to have a bucket of money in these safe haven income stocks. So when the markets panic, these stocks do exceptionally well. But The Income Factory by Stephen Bavaria. You should check out that book. It's a book that got me along this concept here. And I like having a high guaranteed cash flow, and then I can choose to deploy it however I want. And I'm just looking for this below the 30, and then I want to see this blue line cross above the green line. It's very simple. But there will be at least once a week, but maybe multiple times in a week, where I'll be able to add to this account and see nothing was on there. So I don't have any of these stocks here yet, so it'll just be Verizon. That's what I'm going to buy. You can take a look if we want to, but really what you see, if it was a big picture, it's in the zone. That's why it's $1, but it also pays a big dividend. So let's see if we can get this ordered. But that's kind of the strategy, and you can see the yield should be on here. Yeah, 6% yield. So then the next time we have money, we'll go through the same thing, and eventually we'll be able to have some of these hit as well. So little ramble, but that's where a paycheck goes. Make sure you know where your paycheck's going. Don't just blow it out. But after you create your investment income, that's the money you can blow because it's going to keep coming. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if there's interest in this. I may do it, may not do it, but if I'm looking at the charts, I'll bring you all along. So I hope you have a great weekend. I'm excited for the open tonight, and we'll hit next week running.